In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView Pine Script. If you are just getting started with Pine, this is one of the quickest and most useful scripts you can write. Because a horizontal line is perfect for marking support, resistance, or any key price level you care about. Begin on any TradingView chart and open the Pine editor. Usually found at the bottom of your screen. Create a new script and right at the top, add the version line. Use either /@ version FA5 or 6. This tells TradingView which language version you are writing and ensures your code runs with the correct behavior. Next, declare the script header so it appears on your chart rather than in a separate pane. Type indicator horizontal line, overlay FA_true. The name inside the quotes is what you'll see in your indicator list, and overlay FA_true places the drawing directly on your price chart where it belongs. Now you are ready for the line itself. Use the built-in lines function to draw a simple static line at a fixed price. For example, you might write line 75,000. That single line of code draws a constant level across the entire chart at 75,000. To make it more informative and easier to see, add parameters right inside line. You can set a custom title so you recognize it instantly. Change the color so it stands out. And adjust the line width for visibility. Clearly labels the level, colors it, and makes it thicker if the price you care about changes. Just edit the value inside line. Want a different look? Swap the color and tweak the line width. Prefer a different label? Update the title to something meaningful for your analysis. Everything happens in that one function call. So it's straightforward and fast. Need multiple horizontal levels? Simply repeat the same line call on new lines with different values and settings. Each call draws another static line, and each one can have its own title, color, and thickness. This approach keeps the script simple and easy to maintain. When you are happy with your lines, click Add to Chart in the Pine editor. Your indicator will load instantly and you'll see your horizontal levels stretched neatly across the chart. If something doesn't look right, return to the editor, adjust the value, color, title, or width. Then add it to the chart again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.